Okay, the last thing the iPad, one of the last things that the iBooks really allows a student reader to do is take notes in a very organized fashion without really even trying. First of all, you don't have to find post-it notes, you don't have to find highlighters, you don't have to find pencils, anything. It's just your finger. And it really, when you're just using your finger, it's really not going to slow you down. It's just going to work pretty seamlessly with while you're reading. So here we are back at our monologue on page 9, and I'm going to start. Oh, this looks like it's pretty important. I better highlight it. Oops, not turn the page. So you're just going to, I'm going to underline it. But actually, I think I'll change it to pink highlighting. Now this passage may remind me of something, and I'm going to write a good question right here. A good question that I want to remember for class tomorrow. Okay, and that's right there. And then I keep reading, and actually this makes me think of another connection I have, so I'm going to use my finger and highlight that, but it makes me think of something different, so I'm going to highlight it in a different color. And just go through things like that. And really it's just your finger going quick as you read. Now I want to find those again. I go right back up here in the left corner, and up with my table of contents I have my bookmarks that I made, and then I go to my notes. And here they are, totally laid out, what I highlighted, and the question I wrote right there. And let's say I want to go to this, it will take me right there. If I just click right on that, it'll take me right to where the note was. No more flipping through books, looking for pages, marking pages. Also, when you're reading, and let's see here. Let's say I'm reading through my book here, and I think, oh, where's the last time, or where are the other times that they mentioned Montagues? So I'm just going to type that in. And here we go, a list of every place that they mention that word. No more wasting time flipping through the book trying to remember, where did I read that one part? Here, it should be right here. If I forgot to highlight it, I can just search it and find it again. When I'm writing my paper and I need to look up certain facts, there's the keyword search right there. I mean, this will save so much time when you're writing paper or answering comprehension questions or trying to study. Instead of flipping through a book and just trying to find the important parts, it will search it for you and tell you where to look. And then if you're trying to write, if you're making connections and you need to do research, here it is. You just go to search the web and you can make your connections. I mean, students will be able to get so much more work done in a less amount of time before they even start to lose their enthusiasm or their attention, and their work will just turn into a much richer, better product.